Ayo! How are you guys? My name is Jason and welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Jerodics TV. Oh my God guys, it's been a long time again that we are not see each other and doing a reaction of video, but I'm still here guys, and I'm always here to grant your requests. Guys, sometimes I'm so busy here in my work, so I have some day offs, and that time only my day to make a reaction of video or your all of your requests guys. So don't be sad and don't you worry, all of your requests guys, I will always read your comment. And then every time there is a request, I will put it right down on my notebook so that I can't forget that one. So please continue request all of your favorite music guys. Alright, so we will just continue our reaction video for today. So I'm so excited again to make a reaction of video requested by our some of our lovely viewers, and that's it, Prince Junior, and he wants me to react with this Manipur song again with the title of Ekai Nungshi Yanare. So this is a song from CHANU IPS, one super hit mythic movie. Wow, so congratulations on that movie guys. So let's see who's the singer here. The singer here guys is Ekai Nungshi Yanare again, the famous singer there in Manipur. Wow, Ekai Nungshi Yanare is he always in my reaction video guys, especially in Manipur song. He always there to sing different music guys, and I have his album that I'm always listening here, different music guys. So I know this guy, he have a good voice guys. Alright, so he sing this song with Sangeeta also guys. So guys, before we proceed to our reaction of video, I just wanna ask some favor of you guys. For those new to my channel, please click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell button also guys, so that all of you will notify every time that I have a new uploaded reaction video. So alright, so let's proceed and let's start our reaction of video in 3, 2, 1, let's go! By the way guys, I forgot to introduce to you the owner and uploader of this music video is NF channel. Thank you so much guys for allowing me to react this kind of music. Alright, so let's continue again. NF long-term films. Chemba. CHANU IPS. Wow. Whoa. And officer, lady officer. Who is this guy? Admirer. Just like an admirer of this lady. So wait guys. Look at this lady. She is a soldier or police officer. I think she had a high rank here in this store, and I don't think so about this guy. Just like admirer of this lady. All right, so let's continue, guys. Just like interesting story. Oh. Look at that. Oh, he is a janitor. Oh my god. Just like he have what's this close feeling in this lady, so that he always watching this lady. So maybe he have a strong feeling. And that's not wrong with to in love like this lady, right? So that's normal. If you have a feeling like this lady, why not? All right. So even you have even you are a janitor, there's nothing wrong there. All right. So let's continue, guys. See, he always watching this lady. Oh, look at that. Look at that. He's changed her, his attire from his, he's wore short, and then he wore just like a white t-shirt only. But now, maybe this is a part of the movie, or this is their attire in the movie CHANU IPS. So if I have time, guys, I will watch this movie so that I have an idea. Alright, so let's continue, guys. He's so smart, guys. I like the way he dance here with this lady, guys, and he's doing his part of this music, guys, and that's so great performance, guys. Wow, I like this man. Alright, guys, let's continue. Oh my god. You know, guys, the attire of this guy here, just like he is a Boy Scout. You know, Boy Scout guys. I like this man, guys. Alright, guys, let's continue. Oh, look at that. He's like a Boy Scout here. Oh, wow. I like the mountain behind them, guys. Nice venue, guys. Nice. Very nice. Another, I think this is lake again. So, wow. I love it, guys. Perfect. Absolutely, this is a great performance of this guy and this lady. I like the way they perform this music. You know, guys, I just wanna ask why always they're using they're using background a lake, a different lake in their music, guys. And you know, guys, some of my viewers, they told me that this kind of a lake there in their state was, you know, when you go there, you can absolutely shock how this lake was so nice and beautiful lake, guys, because they said that this all lake was so clean and very clear water there, guys. And they always they maintain the cleanliness of this lake. That's why they always take some background there to complete their making some music video or any kind of video, guys. And that's so very good an idea, guys, that you were representing your different lakes in your state, especially here in Manipur, guys. Right? So let's continue. This lady is so very, very beautiful, so pretty. Some of the music, guys, there were a different also dress here, and this is absolutely they're representing also their how they're very what's this, what do you call this, because you always watching a music like this, guys, you observe the lady or the character here. They're wearing a different culture dress, or what we say, what do we call that, culture or traditional what's this, dress, traditional dress of their state, guys. So I love it, I like it. And you know, every time they wear like this dress, they looks great and they looks beautiful, guys. Right? So that's it. Let's continue, guys. Alright. Look at the lady. They look beautiful, guys. Every time they wear some Manipur dress or Manipur attire. Oh, that's it. CHANU IPS. So if I have time, guys, I will I'm going to watch this movie, CHANU IPS. So that's it for today's, guys, our reaction of video. What's this, the title of this one? Ekai Nungshi Yanare. That was so absolutely great performance of this the cast here. And you know, I love the music, I love the voice of the singer here, especially Mr. AJ Maisnam and was this Sangeeta. Alright, so that was absolutely great performance, guys. It's congratulations again, and thank you so much for sharing us your music. And what else? And also the one who request this, Prince Junior. Thank you so much again. Please make another request so that we can react another or different Manipur music. You know that I know that most of you were favorite Manipur song. So thank you so much again, guys. And what else? Yes, of course, if you like this music video, just give, or please don't forget to like and share this music video, and don't forget to give a lot of thumbs up again for those new to my channel, guys. And if you are new viewers there to my reaction to my channel, please, guys, don't forget to subscribe, and please hit that notification bell for more latest update on my channel. So thank you so much for having me here until the end of this reaction of video, guys, and thank you so much. I love you all, and God bless you. Bye.